everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to pay with the gift card on Shein app. Now to do that, open the Shein application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now that you are logged in, what you need to do is you need to place a order first for you to pay it with the gift card. So just choose a random product. I'm just gonna go and choose this one over here. Then you tap on add to cart after choosing the color that you want and the size that you need. Then tap on add to cart. Now once the cart has been filled, tap on cart on the top right. You tap on the checkout on the bottom right. Tap that. Now in the checkout order confirmation piece, you need to look for the shipping. Once you provide the shipping, you need to choose the payment method. Now in the payment method, you need to go and tap on this gift card option. Tap that. Now here, what you need to do for you to apply gift card is you need to type in the 16-digit card number of your gift card. Type in that 16-digit card number over here. Now once you have done, you type in the PIN of the card. Type in that PIN number. And then you tap on apply. Once you do that, the amount will be deducted from the gift card balance once you click on apply. That is, purchase amount will be deducted from the gift card. So if you're buying a product of let's say $15 and the gift card that you applied is of $10, the amount $10 will be deducted and the other $5 you will have to pay it with the cash or card. So this is a way how you can apply gift card to buy on Shein application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.